I will record it here so that we can share it with others. So basically, I have this document here with me by the name English in Action. I'll show this to you. Yeah, so here it is, English in Action. Can you see my screen? No, I've not shared yet. 1 second, I'll just share the screen.
Okay, sir.
See. Yeah, can you see my screen now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is the document I'm talking about. And I want you to focus on this one. I'll send it to you today. In this, there are
Okay.
some scenarios given, like for example, if you go to this page number, yeah. Can you see this? Describing self, describe sibling, describe
Yes,
a
sir. Yes, sir.
movie. So let's say when you are describing a movie, what are you supposed to say is written here. I like watching
Okay.
Hindi movies. I especially like, तो पहले आप ये बोलेंगे I like watching Hindi movies. I
Yes, sir.
especially like comedy or love stories, whatever you want, you can select. However,
Okay.
I hate to watch too much violence in
Yes.
movies. So this is, a little bit of guided,
Yes, sir. Yes.
you know, uh, structure in order to
Structure. Yeah.
speak about something. The
Okay.
last movie
Okay.
I saw was Son of Sardar, so you can talk about anything.
Yes,
Starring
sir.
Ajay Devgan and Sonakshi Sinha, the movie highlights the lifestyle and behavior of Sardars and their bold approach towards life. The story portrays means shows family rivalry between cousin brothers who uh, finally Ajay Devgan and Sonakshi get married,
Married.
got married होना चाहिए, it should
Got married. Yes.
got married. Yeah, write a movie review of Three Idiots, so you can write something like that based on the same. So once
Okay.
you write like 3 4 scenarios of this sort, it will become
Yes,
very
sir.
easy for you to speak on it,
Speak.
right? And
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
you can always start with giving some background information. So you can use a sandwich structure.
Sure, sure, sure.
What is sandwich structure? So initially you will give some background information, then you will answer the questions, and then you will summarize. So this background information and summarizing would be more or less the same, and
Okay.
the questions would be there in the middle. Like for example, let's say the topic is, let me just pick up a topic. um 1 second. IELTS 2 minutes topic, movie. So it will give us some topic related to movie. Let's say this is the topic. You should say what the film is about,
Yes, sir.
why you like the film. Is it, it's not allowing me to copy, it seems. Yeah, let me just write it down. um okay, so it's like, talk about a movie,
Yeah.
about a movie you like, what is the movie about, what you like it, why do you like it so much,
So much.
like it so much, and what message the movie gives.
Yes.
What message the movie gives. Okay, now see, this is the topic you are supposed to speak on, and you are supposed to speak for 2 minutes.
Yes, sir.
So, what you can actually do is you can first give some background information about the movies instead of jumping straight to the answering the
Okay.
questions. You can give some background information, like what you can say is, I like many genres of, so genres की spelling, I like many genres. हाँ, ये नहीं है इसकी स्पेलिंग, genres की स्पेलिंग genres, RES. हाँ, GENRES, genres.
Yes.
So genres का थोड़ा स्पेलिंग अलग है और उसका वो अलग. So genres of movies. My favorite are, let's say, comedy and um, movies based on comedy and um, for the sake of it, I'm writing love stories, let's say.
Yes.
Yeah, we can write anything. We don't have to kind of think too much here, right?
Yes. Yes.
Today, I would like to talk about or movies based on friendship, we can say, and movies based on friendship.
French.
Now, see, here you are not answering the question. The questions are here. What is the movie
Yes, sir.
and all this? What you are doing is you are giving some background information.
Mm-hmm.
Background. So, whenever you start with speaking, do not come straight to the topic. Give some background information. You can always elaborate it also. I like many movies. Yeah, many genres of movies. My favorite ones are, yeah, my favorite ones are, the favorite ones are comedy and uh, those based on friendship, we can say. Comedy and those based on friendship. Today I would like to talk about Three Idiots, a movie based on college days, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the movie? So now you can talk about all this. So this is
Yeah.
background information, okay? Now
Yes.
come to the questions. Come to the questions. So now you can start answering the questions one by one. All
Yeah.
right. What is the movie about? So you can talk about the movie. For everything, you can speak 1 to 2 sentences. The movie
Fine.
is about three friends and how they help each other in different situations, right?
Yes, sir.
Situations. It also depicts the importance of studying studying what one likes rather than studying to get a job. It is a very engaging movie with a very strong, yeah, with a very inspiring, with a very with a valuable message,
Yeah.
valuable life message या simply message बोल सकते हैं, valuable lesson. So you are talking about why you like, what is the movie about. So you have
Yes, sir.
discussed about that. Then why do you like this movie so much? So you can frame the answer in the same way as the question. The reason
Yes, sir.
I like this movie so much is that it makes me it reminds me of my college days, right?
Yes.
Watching the movie makes me nostalgic of how I used to spend my time with my friends. It also makes me realize the importance of friends and the part played by them in our lives. So, why you like it? This is answered.
Yes.
What message the movie gives? So, as I told earlier, so like this, you can use transitions.
Yes.
As I
Yes.
told earlier, the message given by this movie is that one should study what one likes rather than studying for a job or studying to please elders, right?
Yes, sir.
The movie beautifully, yeah, huh. The protagonist ब्रैकेट में बोल देते हैं हम इसको आमिर खान who plays the role of Rancho very beautifully and convincingly tells how important it is to follow one's passion in life. है ना? The movie
Yes,
is
sir.
filled with a lot of emotional scenes, yeah, uh, emotional scenes ही बोल सकते हैं scenes
Hmm.
where friends sacrifice where friends help each other selflessly, we can say help each other selflessly, right?
Yes.
तो अपन बता रहे हैं कि मैसेज क्या है.
Yeah.
So in short, the message is to follow our passion, follow what we love, and to help each other, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is how you can speak about it. So
Okay, sir.
you will always start with some generic information, which is background information,
Background.
then come to the questions, and
Yeah.
after that, just speak the summary,
Hmm.
right? So in summary, you will always just summarize the whole thing in 2 lines.
Okay.
So to sum up, the movie is about, yeah, to sum up, Three Idiots is the movie that I like the most. Now, see, you are just summarizing the whole thing.
Yes, sir.
Most because it makes me, it brings me, it brings back Now I'm not saying nostalgic. I'm just trying to use
Yeah.
some new words to say about the same thing. So like this, I'm trying to showcase my vocabulary.
Okay.
It
Yeah.
brings back the memories of my college days, and it also teaches uh, an important lesson of an important lesson. It also teaches. It also teaches. Yeah, it also हाँ teaches ही बोलना पड़ेगा. Teaches an
Yeah.
important lesson of important life lesson of friendship and being honest with oneself. So in short,
Yes.
you are trying to say that one should choose one's own career. So you're not elaborating it. So you're
Yeah.
showing your skill of summarizing also in the same thing. So this is the structure that you can always follow in speaking.
Okay.
Start with the background information, then answer the questions one by one, and then after that, you say to sum up, and you
Hmm.
just summarize the whole thing. So this will give you a chance to speak a little more, and
Okay.
you will be able to showcase your vocabulary by using some different words about the same topic.
Okay.
The biggest problem with speaking is that 2 minutes get over, and
Yeah.
I mean 2 minutes do not we do not spend 2 minutes speaking.
Yes.
Speaking
Yes.
for 2 minutes continuously is a problem. So you are supposed to speak for 1 to 2 minutes, is what they say.
Yeah.
So in this case, if you use the structure like this, that you always start with background information, that Indians like different types of movies and we have different genres of movies. There are love stories, there are comedy movies, there are action movies, and so on. The type of
Yes.
movie that I like. So, you are giving a little background information.
But-
Then you are coming to the point. The type of movie that I like the most is for movies based on friendship and those which teach us some life lesson. And I would like to tell you about Three Idiots. And then specifically answer each question. So the
Hmm.
movies and use the same words as given in the question. So Three
Okay.
Idiots is about friendship and about following one's passion. The
Yes.
setup is that of a college where Amir Khan plays the role of a protagonist, and there is a principal who is a very strict principal. The movie shows bias, so you can make sentences. What is it
Yes.
about? The movie shows bias towards science and related subjects, and it is shown that other subjects such as arts and history, etc., are looked at with a lot of people disparage them, or people are reluctant to take those subjects. So the movie very clearly depicts the bias towards science.
Okay.
And it shows that फिर उसके बाद आप एक एक चीज बहुत लंबा बोलने के बजाय you can move to the
Hmm.
next question. The thing
Okay.
I like about it is that how the main protagonist, or Amir Khan, uh, shows that one should
So,
follow one's own heart, and it
yeah.
also shows camaraderie between friends, how they help each other. There is a very
Yeah.
strong message in the movie that one should follow. So you are quickly jumping from one point to another, because you
Yes.
you know in your mind that you will always speak for 1 to 2 minutes, because you are
Yes.
also going to summarize it. So
Yeah. Yeah.
even if you go a little fast, you would have some
Mhm.
time left for summarization. So in
Okay.
summarizing, you would always spend a little time.
Yes.
So when you know that you are supposed to touch three milestones, you will always end
Mhm.
up speaking for 1 to 2 minutes.
Okay.
So start with the background information, then come to the questions one by one, and then
Yeah.
summarize it.
Fine.
Okay, let us take one or two topics.
Sir, it is okay to repeat the word movie
Yeah, you
in the
can,
while
yeah,
speaking.
movie or flick or
Yeah,
picture, you can speak
picture.
any. Yeah. Let's take one or two topics here. If you have to speak on them, let's see how do you do them. Let's say this is the topic. Describe a time when you helped a friend. You should say what, when it happened, how you helped him or her, why you helped him or her, and explain how you felt about it. You've got a minute to prepare and 2 minutes to speak. So start with the background information, a little bit about how helping each other and people helping each other in different situations and all
Yes.
that. And then come to the specific questions and then summarize it.
Okay. Helping each other is a very good thing which everybody should do in our day-to-day life. By helping to the others, we get a satisfaction, and we can develop a good rapport and communication between the uh, community uh, and the other peoples too.
Mhm.
So the last time I have helped one of my friend, uh, is when the in the last year when the lockdown had started, due to this pandemic situation, there were no means for source for any earnings, and there the all the economy and the jobs of the many people have lost. So in the last lockdown, I had a chance to help one of my friend. Uh, uh, he, he was working here in one of the uh, one of the company here, but due to the lockdown, due to the coronavirus pandemic, there was no job for him. So I I thought that I should help him by giving some groceries and some uh, giving him some help of some donation. So I I called him to my home place, and I talked him about I came to know about his situation, and I called him to my home place, and I I I lended him all the things for I think for it was sufficient for him to for more than a month. And uh, I helped him because the situation uh, with him, I heard, was very. He was going through a very bad condition, and his
So just
family
be
members
good.
were
Don't repeat it. What you can do is
okay.
speak very precisely on all these items. It's going a little
Yeah.
long, but the good part
Okay.
of the whole story is now you are speaking for more than a minute easily, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
There are
Yes.
some slips here and there with regard to grammar, but then
Okay.
overall now you are consuming more than 1 minute very easily. You are able to speak for 1 minute, 1 to 2 minutes.
Yes. Sir.
So this will give you a lot of confidence that you will never fall short of content,
Timing.
because you are
Yeah. Yeah.
going to
Content.
start with background information, then you are going to speak about the questions, then you are going to
Yeah.
summarize. So you will always have time. And if
Yes. Sir.
you know that you have already crossed time, no need to summarize.
Okay. Fine.
This is just for the
But
purpose of having this in the back of your mind, that you would never fall short of mass
time.
sort of content.
Yeah. Yes. Sir. And we should needs to explain
Just
all
one
the
minute. Huh?
questions.
I'll
No.
just come. Just give me
Yes.
one.
Yes.
Hi Kiran, when are you planning to give the exam?
I was planning this 24th, but yesterday only I had message from British Council that my exam has been postponed. So they gave me 2 days for giving for you can take the next test. So I applied for the next 24th of July.
Okay.
So I'm waiting for the
Do we have exams
reply.
in June or we don't have exams in June?
I think there are two.
And we too, and we also come across some of our friends or our family members who help us in our day-to-day life. But when, in case if we get a help at the right moment, that is the most crux of out of it. So I still remember sometime almost 2 years back, one of my friends, she was supposed to finish her one of her life projects, which was to be closed on a particular day that was in December end, and she was working throughout from day one and working on it, but at the last moment she got some error in her uh, program. She was not able to fix that error, and she just called me up that she's facing that particular issue and she was unable to resolve that. Even though I was not from the same technology, but I helped her searching through different websites and trying to connect to right people related to that particular project and that particular program. So I just tried to connect with people from my office, from similar departments who were working on the same technology, and uh, there and then I found out that actually it was a little bit similar to my program only, especially the not the content, but at least the logic part of it. So we connected through that particular concerned person from our office, and we tried to understand each and everything together with my friend, and we were only left with half an hour and still we were in the middle of the code, but still we tried to each one of us tried to work on a separate parameters and tried to close that particular problem that we were facing. And I thought my friend was so happy, she was so thrilled that we were able to finish that particular project on time. And she not only thanked me, but she promised me that whenever I'm in any difficulty, she'll be the first one to come forward and help me out. And then I can still say this, that that was not only helpful to my friend, it was even helpful to me, because I could understand the importance of finishing something on time and then getting a help from a friend, which is really very appreciated. So I think that's the best thing that we do when we help each other in our day-to-day lives or any time when anybody needs help. So I thank her and I
So
thank
now,
myself that I
so
was
now
able to do
it is
it.
very important that we stick to the questions and we sort of give almost equal amount of time on each of the 4 bullet points mentioned there.
Okay.
So, it's
Mm-hmm.
okay to elaborate and make it like a story, but then since this is a test, the
Mm-hmm.
examiner would all be focused on ये वाला question हो गया, ये वाला question हो गया, इस पे इसने कितना time दिया, इस पे. So your ability to organize your thoughts is equally important. So
Okay.
I'll just play your part and I'll tell you if I were at your place, how will I speak?
Sure.
So it's very important to help each other, and there are various instances where we seek help or we help our friends. I would like to tell you about one such instance. One of my friends wanted help with one of the softwares, and it was a very crucial situation because she was working on very tight timelines. So when she approached me, I helped her with finding the right people and resources. I also helped her to search some sites. So this is how I helped her. And what I found was that her program was quite similar to mine. I was also working on the same kind of logic or same kind of problem, so I was able to help her. So I helped her by finding the right people and the resources. The reason I helped her was that since we live in a world where we keep on facing some problems which could be solved only by someone's help, I always try to help my friends. And since she was my friend from the college days, we have been helping each other quite often. So I thought that this is an opportunity where I can reciprocate the gesture, and that is why I helped her. I really felt good about it because when you help somebody else without any selfish motive, you actually get a lot of satisfaction, and it helps you to feel to keep yourself motivated and pepped up throughout your life. So I think this is one instance which really made me feel very good, as I helped her without any selfish motive. Now, see, I also took around the same time, but I was
Yes,
switching
sir.
very quickly from one point to the next point, and I was not jumping back
Mhm.
to things.
Correct.
So it is very important to give a structure. The examiner should be very, or your speech should depict the structure of the questions. Like, you are jumping from one question to the next question,
Mhm.
um, showing the right transition. So when
Yeah.
it happened, like for example, when it happened, I really missed it. When I now
Mhm.
read it, when it happened, did I tell when it happened?
It happened almost 2 years back.
So yeah, you have to tell this that it happened almost 3 years back, and it is good to make a timeline which is a little recent rather than 3 years back.
Right.
Because it looks like
Mhm.
history otherwise. जब हम गप भी लगा रहे हैं तो थोड़ी ऐसी गप लगाएं जो और convincing हो. So
Correct.
you can say it recently happened that one of my friends called me up. She was stuck at one point in a program. She was actually, she's a software engineer and she was working on very tight timelines, but she was stuck. And since I'm also from the same domain, I thought that why should I not help her? And then you टक 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 टक, तो ऐसा लगना चाहिए कि ये बंदा जो है ये च्युइंगम इफेक्ट नहीं डाल रहा है कि
Correct.
भैया
Yes.
बोलते जाओ बोलते जाओ. But then, yeah, there is a very clear structure to it, because good English is not good enough.
Okay.
You also are supposed to showcase your ability to organize your thoughts.
Yeah.
Yeah, it
Yes, sir.
should look very crisp.
Yes, sir.
जैसे होता है ना
Got that one.
हाँ, 3 कोर्स या 4 कोर्स लंच या डिनर कि भैया ये स्टार्टर खत्म हो गए तो बार बार स्टार्टर नहीं देने का उसको कि बेटा तो स्टार्टर खिला खिला के मार डालूंगा. So no, once the starters are done, you come swiftly to the main course, and then give him whatever desserts are there, and उसको बोलो भैया टाटा बाय बाय.
Yes.
Yeah? So
Yes.
you have to think like an examiner.
Mhm.
Yes.
Because that would make a huge difference to your marks. So today I'm not really
Yes.
focusing on other things related to grammar and other stuff. What I'm focused about is
The structure.
focused on is the structure. How do you
Yeah.
structure your thoughts, and how do you present in a very crisp manner? Kiran Kumar, can you also speak on the same topic? Let's see how do you structure it and make it fast this time.
Okay, sir. Helping others is a very good thing and a very satisfying thing to do nowadays. The last time when I helped someone, help my friend, was in the last year in the lockdown situation. Uh, Lockdown situation. However, I helped him by giving some groceries and some donations to his family members, because I came to know from one of my friend that the situation of his family is very bad nowadays, because of the lockdown. There are no any source of income, source of income for his family and for him also, because the company in which he was working had shut down due to the pandemic situation. Uh, After helping him, I felt real satisfaction, and I did and I felt that I did good to someone who is known to myself. To sum up with all the things, helping who are in the need is the most precious thing to do uh, in this earth, in the present situation.
Good, very good. I'm actually not paying attention to other things, and we'll talk about them later. But then I can clearly see that there is an improvement in the structure. What I wanted to focus on was moving swiftly from one point to the next point and using appropriate transition words. Like when it happened. So it
Yes.
happened almost an year back. The way I helped him, how you helped him. So you can translate it to the way I helped him was by giving
Yeah.
some money to him and by giving some groceries. The reason I
Yeah.
helped him was that, so why you helped him? So, instead of saying why I helped him, you say the reason I helped him was that he was in
Okay.
need because of pandemic. His company had shut down and he didn't
Yeah.
have any job. So you are using appropriate transitions. So this is what I wanted. There are a few
Okay, sir.
things related to grammar, especially tenses. When you are talking about something in the past tense, you are not supposed to say nowadays.
Yeah.
So during that time, you are supposed to refer to that time using that time. But yes, what I
Yes,
want
sir.
you to do is I want you to record your voice and send it to me. So I'll be able to
Fine.
type and send the feedback to you, which is so very important. I'll be able to hear it and I'll be able to tell you that bhaiya ye galat hai. Because
Okay.
while speaking, it is very difficult to focus on every word. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
When you record your voice, you
Record.
can hear your own voice. I can hear it and I can tell you, भाई साहब यहाँ पे तुम्हारा टेंस फिसल गया, यहाँ पे वर्ड चॉइस थोड़ा गड़बड़ है, यहाँ पे फंबलिंग हो रही है, इसकी जगह पे ये फ्रेज यूज कर सकते हो. So I can pinpoint those mistakes and correct them. What I want you to do
Yes.
is on this very topic, I want you to record your voice and send it to me. Just one,
Fine.
which is this one. And let me see. I mean, you can first rehearse it and then send it
Yeah.
to me. I want the
Okay.
final version coming to me after a little bit of
Fine.
practice. Because once you fine tune one particular topic and one particular scenario, you can replicate the same structure in other scenarios also, isn't it?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Once you make one software, once you work on one project, you can work on other projects also using the same structure. Is that right, Subina?
Yes, sir.
So once you
Definitely it
Yeah,
helps.
so this would pave the way for rest of the scenarios that you're going to face by just record your voice, speak on this topic, record your voice, send it to me, and I'll get an opportunity to understand how you speak, and I'll be able to correct you on those small things here and there. Okay, and take care of all the points that we mentioned. My main focus is organization, although
Yes.
grammar and vocabulary and everything else is going to play its part and they are equally important. But then let's work on one particular aspect at a time, so that
Yes.
we work on that and then we move on to the other aspects.
Sir, in the 1 minute for the preparation, which thing we should take care of? Means we get 1 minute for the preparation.
Yeah, so you
In
can
that,
write only the pointers, like for example, when it happened. So you can write 2 months back. That's it. How you helped him. So just write two words. I helped him by giving money and some grocery items. Why you helped
okay.
him? The reason I helped him was that he was in need, and I thought that it is my moral responsibility to help him at this point in time. I'm his friend, and it's only friends
Yeah.
and family members who come forth and help each other. And explain how you felt. I really felt great. I was actually grateful that, so like this, just write one or two words about each of the questions.
Okay.
Felt
This
great.
all the questions now are in the past tense. So we should speak in the past. Many things
Exactly.
we should speak in the past tense.
Exactly. Yeah, you should speak about everything in the past tense because the event happened in the past.
fast. Yeah.
It was in
And
dialogue, yeah,
yes, sir.
right. So I want you
Okay.
to record your voice, send it to me, and I know there would be some opportunities, but then this would be the best way to prepare and correct your mistakes. Once you know how to speak on one topic, you would be able to speak on other topics also. And no need to elaborate. Be very, very precise. Bilkul tuck, 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 tuck. Since it is an exam, let's take it like an exam. We don't want to impress anyone. We just want to fulfill the task. होता है ना जो
Yes, sir.
आलसी बंदा होता है. Let's be very, very um, lazy people. Lazy people just fulfill the task and move on.
Yeah.
So I want you
Yes,
to
sir.
be very lazy. Just fulfill the task. Like ये वाला आंसर हो गया, ये वाला आंसर हो गया, ये वाला आंसर हो गया. 1 या 2 मिनट में मैंने खत्म कर लिया. That's it. Don't go for an overkill.
Okay.
Don't try to think that oh, I want to score 9.5 out of 9, or I want
Yes.
to get a Nobel Prize in IELTS speaking. Not possible,
Yes.
right? There's no such thing. So just fulfill the task and be happy. I've answered all the questions. I took more than 1 minute. I spoke for almost 1.52 minutes, and I structured it well and just chill.
Yes, sir. Sure.
All right. Okay. All the best to you then.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, Kiran. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Thank you.